In this series of exercises, we will be dealing with linear inequalities and how to solve them. Solve the formula for x. Z equals y minus 3xy. We want to isolate the x. And then the first thing that means is we need to subtract y from each side. So we have z minus y equals negative 3, and I'm going to rearrange that as 3yx because we are trying to isolate x, and that means that our next step would be to divide both sides by negative 3y. Of course, over here, they cancel each other out to equal 1 times x, or in other words, x. Now, here we have two of the terms that are negative. And often when we have that situation, we end up dividing the negative into each of the numerators so that we get the result, and I'll write x first. The result would be a positive y and a negative z, so y minus z, over the positive 3y. So x is equal to y minus z over 3y.